Hello everyone, this is Gopal Hadka from Kathmandu, Nepal. I am PhD scholar and lecturer in Department of Rural Development Studies, Tribhuvan University, Kathmandu, Nepal. I am happy to present my latest research article through e-presentation. Namaste. Topic: Provincial status of economic activities in Nepal. Economic activities create multiplier effects on all dimensions of human activities. To assess the status of economic activities of Nepal in provincial level and to identify prospects of the dispersion of economic activities in provincial level, this article is prepared as the title Provincial Status of Economic Activities in Nepal. It is mainly based on the secondary data of Nepal Economic Census 2018. Information regarding objectives was collecting through various research engines by simple literature review. The status of economic activities is found unequal at provincial level in Nepal. Financial sustainability is the common concern in Nepal due to the costly federal system, unscientific division of provinces, inequitable distribution of resources, miserable condition of infrastructure, ineffective tax policy creates complex problem even to operate economic activities in proper and effective manner. Without balanced development of economic activities and economic prosperity, federalism may not be sustained. Among 18 group of economic activities, Bagmati province is in top most position, followed by Province 1 and Province 5. Different economic measures supporting to disperse the economic activities from central to federal and local areas such as economic policy, budget, fiscal policy, subsidiary policy, tax policy should be prepared and implemented without any delay. To meet the national commitment, prosperous Nepal, happy Nepali, and to fulfill the target of sustainable development goal, it is essential to perform effective joint effort of all concerned authority as soon as possible with the visionary and coordinating leadership of federal government. Keyword: economic activities, province, balanced development, dispersion, federalism. All activities related with production, distribution, marketing, and sales of goods or services are referred to as economic activities. That is, the activities which are carried out for profit or own consumption. Such activities will contribute to the value added of the national production. In narrow term, it is called industries. By opening new economic institution in varying geographical location, it releases the fullest potential of the economic activities and can react easily to local requirement. This study may encourage the concerned authority to formulate proper plan and policy regarding the expansion and development of economic activities in balanced form. Objective: to assess the status of economic activities of Nepal in provincial level, to identify prospects of the dispersion of economic activities in provincial level. Methods and material: this study is mainly based on the secondary data of Nepal Economic Survey 2018. Data source of this study is fully depends on it. Information regarding objectives was collected through various source engines by simple literature review. Analysis is done descriptively through the use of table and figures. Result and discussion: the International Standard Industrial Classification of All Economic Activities, ISIC, consists of a coherent and consistent classification, the structure of economic activities based on a set of internationally agreed concept, definition, principle, and classification rules. In practice, the classification is used for providing a continuing flow of information that is indispensable for the monitoring, analysis, and evaluation of the performance of an economy over time. It is increasingly used also for administrative purposes, such as in tax collection, issuing of business license, etc. It is imperative to conduct economic census covering all establishments conducting different sector of economic activities as mentioned in ISIC Revision 4 in order to know the real picture of the Nepalese economy. There are 18 group of economic activities, and the result is as follows. First of all, agriculture, forestry, and fishing industry. And the result is in Bagmati province, 29% establishment done, and followed by the province 1 as well as the province 5 and Gandaki province. Mining and quarrying industries, the result is like this. Manufacturing industries, Bagmati portion also lead. Electricity, gas, steam, and air conditioning supply industry, the result is like this. Another one is water supply, sewerage, waste management, and remediation activities industries. Next one is construction industries. Next one is wholesale and retail trade industry. Next one is transportation and storage industry. Next, hotel and restaurant. Whatever the result, again, Bagmati province lead all other province. Information and communication industry, result is same as financial and insurance activities industry. And then after real estate activity industry, after that professional, scientific and technical activities industry, after that administrative and support service industry, and then after education industry, and then after human health and social work activities industry, arts, entertainment and recreational activities. Here about 50% activities are conducted in Bagmati province, and other services activities industries. Here 30% industries are established in Bagmati province. And all economic activities by the sum of 18 industries, whatever the result, 31% industries are established in Bagmati province, followed by province 1, only 18%, and then after province 5, 16%. Actually, the federalism is needed by province 2, Karnali province, Sudur Paschim province. But the situation of economic activity is very low over there. That is the better situation. Conclusion, there is no equal and justified distribution of economic resources that causes unequal opportunity for development, creating vast gap among provinces. Only few provinces have been benefited, majorities are being exploited. Even distributive budgeting system of federal government of Nepal has been unsuccessful in creating economic momentum in these provinces. Therefore, quick review and broad study of present economic situation in federal model is of great urgency. Here is reference. After that, thank you so much.